How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Instagram account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find all these options pop up. Simply scroll down in Settings and Activity and click on Account Privacy. After you click on Account Privacy, here at the bottom, you'll find Allow Profile Picture Expansion. Simply turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, your Instagram profile picture zoom will be turned off. This is how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.